Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a problem that a lot of people have been having recently: Newton verification not working. I've been getting a lot of questions about this from my viewers, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. So, if you're having trouble with Newton verification, or if you're just curious about why it's not working, then stick around. What is Newton verification? Before we get into why Newton verification might not be working, let's first talk about what it is. Newton verification is a security feature that is used by a number of websites and apps. It helps to prevent fraud and identity theft by verifying that the person trying to access an account is the legitimate owner of that account. Newton verification works by asking the user to provide a few pieces of personal information, such as their date of birth, social security number, or driver's license number. This information is then compared to the information that the website or app has on file for the user. If the information matches, then the user is allowed to access their account. Why is Newton verification not working? There are a number of reasons why Newton verification might not be working. Some of the most common reasons include: the information you provided is incorrect. This is the most common reason why Newton verification fails. Make sure that you are entering your information correctly, including your date of birth, social security number, and driver's license number. Your information is not up to date. If you have recently changed your name or address, you will need to update your information with the website or app that you are using. The website or app is experiencing technical difficulties. This can happen from time to time. If you are having trouble with Newton verification, it is a good idea to try again later. You are using a VPN or proxy server. VPNs and proxy servers can interfere with Newton verification. If you are using a VPN or proxy server, you will need to disable it before you can use Newton verification. Your browser is not supported. Some websites and apps only support certain browsers. If you are using an unsupported browser, you will need to switch to a supported browser before you can use Newton verification. How to fix Newton verification problems. If you are having trouble with Newton verification, there are a few things you can do to try to fix the problem. Check your information. Make sure that you are entering your information correctly, including your date of birth, social security number, and driver's license number. Update your information. If you have recently changed your name or address, you will need to update your information with the website or app that you are using. Try again later. If the website or app is experiencing technical difficulties, you may need to try again later. Disable your VPN or proxy server. If you are using a VPN or proxy server, you will need to disable it before you can use Newton verification. Switch to a supported browser. If you are using an unsupported browser, you will need to switch to a supported browser before you can use Newton verification. Here are a few additional tips that you can follow to help you with Newton verification. Use a strong password. Make sure that you are using a strong password for your account. This will help to prevent unauthorized access to your account. Enable two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication is an extra layer of security that can help to protect your account. Be careful when sharing your personal information. Only share your personal information with trusted websites and apps. Monitor your account for suspicious activity. If you see any suspicious activity on your account, be sure to report it to the website or app that you are using. I hope this video has helped you to understand why Newton verification might not be working for you. If you are still having trouble, I recommend that you contact the website or app that you are using for help. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. 1. rutube.ru. rutube.ru. I also encourage you to leave a comment below and let me know if you have any questions. I will be happy to answer them. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.